The Blood Falls of Antarctica. When scientists voyaged to Antarctica in 1911, near the edge of the world, they were met with soaring glaciers and clear blue skies. The scientists noticed that the side of a particular glacier cliff was stained with a dark red color, reminiscent of blood. As they investigated further, they noticed enormous blood-red liquid nearing 5 stories high, spanning from the sides of Taylor Glacier. Scientists at the time thought the red color came from algae discoloring the water. An explanation eluded scientists for decades until research from the University of Alaska Fairbanks at last revealed the origin of the blood falls. The research team discovered that the red color comes from oxidized iron present in brine saltwater. As Taylor Glacier moves, it progressively scrapes iron from surrounding bedrock. This interaction with the air creates the rust and causes the waterfall to appear to be gushing blood. The Marfa Mystery Lights. In a lonely stretch outside a town in West Texas named Marfa, locals and travelers alike have long reported strange, almost entrancing lights that dance on the horizon in the middle of the night, described as roughly the size of basketballs and coming in dazzling array of colors. The Marfa Mystery Lights are said to date back more than a full century to when they were first reported by cowhands in 1883, who thought they were light from Apache campfires. However, no evidence of those fires could be found once morning came, and as the years went on, it became clear that the lights were something else altogether. Today, many scientists have tried to attribute the lights to simple reflection of headlights, but many argue that this does not explain the history or the phenom. Regardless, no clear census has yet been reached, and Marfa Mystery Lights continue to dazzle and distract onlookers in their dusty stretch of Texas outback.
Devil's Kettle Falls. In Minnesota, a large, beautiful waterfall has baffled visitors and scientists for decades due to its surging rapids seemingly vanishing into solid rock. Many have attempted to solve the mystery, even by dropping objects into the falls. Minnesota's Department of Natural Resources determined that the surging water flows back into the river at the bottom of the falls. They measured the water above and many feet below Devil's Kettle, and the amount of water was identical. This meant that no water was ever lost. Furthermore, the team theorized that the force of the water destroys objects. Experts from DNR are not surely exactly where the water emerges, but they theorize that Devil's Kettle empties right below where it surges in. Today, visitors of Devil's Kettle can engage with the mysterious wonder of the waterfall, and others can rest easy knowing this mystery is all but officially solved. The Yellowstone Volcano is a supervolcano found in Yellowstone National Park. When it last erupted about 2.1 million years ago, the volcano produced 6,000 times the ejection material of the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption. Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, a group of 9 state and federal agencies, is responsible for monitoring the supervolcano's activity and administering warnings about possible eruptions. If the volcano were to erupt, experts say the effects would ripple through the United States and most of the Western Hemisphere, spanning from major lava damage to catastrophic impact on the air quality from falling ash. Scientists continue to uncover new facts about the supervolcano structure and claim the chances of the large-scale eruption in the next few millennia are slim. Nothing less, even experts admit that our ability to predict is incomplete at best, leading many to wonder when the supervolcano may wake up next. The Brunswick Springs, touted by some as the 8th natural wonder of the world, has 6 separate water flows feed into the Connecticut River. Each flow is said to possess a different mineral. Local legends claim that in the 1700s, a Native American brought a wounded soldier to the spring, and after he was dipped in the water, his wounds were healed. However, after a bloody battle took place between the tribe and soldiers, a tribeswoman cursed the waters for anyone who tried to capitalize on it. After this alleged curse was documented, a string of unexplained tragedies occurred near the springs. By the 1800s, a hotel that sourced its waters from the spring was built, but it was later destroyed by a fire. Another hotel was built and burned down 3 separate times. Locals claim the hotel builders were victims of the curse meant to protect the springs, ensures that no outside forces abuse its natural powers.